My name's Egija and I work as the Young Carers Project Coordinator here at YMCA Swansea. My journey started when I moved to the UK at the age of 16 and I wanted to work with young people because I felt that I always wanted to be someone for someone that I maybe didn't have when I was younger. I applied to become a sessional worker working with young carers over 10 years ago, and that's where my journey really started.
I would describe Egija's leadership as being very approachable, very understanding and really showing the way in how things should be done properly, but also not forgetting about that human element and making sure that people's needs and wants are met.
Egija is a leader because she keeps everybody in order, but she also wants them to have fun. She puts herself out there and it really inspires me because I want to be like Egija. She's really kind and sweet.
I loved seeing how much youth work actually helped young people, how much it empowered young people to find themselves and express themselves.
So Egija does a lot for young carers nationally, globally and internationally.
I have been trying to be the voice for young carers until they are ready to be in a position to have that voice for themselves, standing alongside young carers to make sure that they are recognised, identified and supported on local, national and global platforms.